Calaveric, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna take you through some steps that you should follow if you have fine thin hair like me, and also if you're curious about the hair extensions that I'm using right now and that are my favorites for my photo shoots and special events. So keep on watching. Now you can see that this looks like Veronica has a lot of hair. What is she talking about? Well, this is the hair piece and we're gonna get to it in a little bit. But first I want to focus on other things that can help you have a beautiful hair full of life and volume. I myself have very fine hair and I had to learn how to deal with it instead of just complaining about it and feel sorry for myself. That is also a difference between a winner and a loser. Loser is gonna keep on complaining and not doing anything about it, while a winner is gonna try to make the best of the situation, which is dealing with fine European hair and making it look beautiful. And I want to point out that having fine hair is not a deal breaker. There are people with so many worse problems on earth, and some people don't even have any hair. So having fine hair, thin hair is still better than nothing. You should keep that in mind and being grateful for what you have. Even though it may not be this huge horse mane, there are always ways how to get around it and achieve the look you desire. And because hair plays such a big part in building women's confidence, let's get right to it and not waste any time, because we all can use a little confidence boost. I'm sure you heard this thing many times before, but I'm just gonna remind you that the health of your hair and the beauty of it starts in the shower. So the products you use in the shower are gonna determine how the hair is gonna look, obviously, the next day. So if I'm going for a sleek look, for example for this one, I would not care about volumizing shampoo or anything. I would focus on finding products that promise shine and smoothness to my hair. And on the other days when I'm looking for a bombshell hair, I would go for volumizing shampoo and conditioner. These ones from Camera have been my favorite.
I can see a vivid difference while using these two products on my hair.
And as you all are hopefully taking care of your skin, why not take care of your hair just as much? For example, whenever you put a mask on your face, why don't you put a mask on your hair? This one I just started using recently. Another one of my favorites, almost empty. This one you actually leave in. I always take it with me while I travel. Before we jump into the step 3 where I share with you my little secrets for today's video, I want to remind you that this should be your best friend. Yes, you get it right, I'm talking about a shower cap. And why am I bringing this up? Because washing your hair daily is not good for anybody. Doesn't matter if you have thin hair or you have this mane that I talked about before and I'm very jealous of. But preserving the natural oils in your hair can really up the growth and help you maintain strong, nice hair. Washing your hair too often can cause dandruffs or fallouts or loss of shine or any kind of strength of your hair. And if you feel like your hair is getting greasy very often and too fast like mine does, you can always use dry shampoo or style your hair in a ponytail, braids, or a bun. There's so many ways how to avoid washing it daily. Please be aware of that. Your hair is gonna thank you once again. Now that you're out of the shower and you use all these products on your hair and you think, oh, my job is done, I don't need to do anything. Wrong. One of my favorites is this texturizing spray, which I spray on right after I towel dry my hair.
Products like these are providing you with the texture that your fine hair needs.
And if I decide to blow dry my hair, which I try not to do very much, I use these heat protector.
This cheap one from L'Oreal has been my favorite by far.
But as I said, I try not to blow dry my hair at all. Even when I use the round brush to give myself more volume, it just doesn't seem to last, so I don't even bother. But whenever I'm in a rush and I really need to dry the hair faster, I try to keep it on the lowest settings so it doesn't damage my hair even further. So keep that in mind and please limit the use of your curling iron, hair straightener, and even the blow dryer. You're gonna do yourself a big favor. And also a little reminder, if you feel like it, please subscribe and like and comment down below this video. It would mean a lot to me, so thank you in advance if you're doing that. If you followed all the steps that I mentioned previously and you still are unhappy with what you created on your head, keep on watching.
Throughout my modeling career, I tried so many different hair extensions, and it's not even funny to talk about them because some of them gave me so much trouble and caused me so much damage. So I was so grateful for finding out about the halo extensions. I've been using them these past few years and they really are the game changer for me. Unlike the tape-ins, the beads, and those clip-ins, those are just all monsters for your fine hair. These guys are not causing you any damage, especially when applied properly, meaning you just have to secure them well with bobby pins, or as I use, just those clip-on things that you can just put on your hair so the hair is not moving around too much, because again, we're talking about fine hair, which is super slippery, which is super dangerous if you want to move your head around. So I would definitely advise to secure them. As you can see, I'm using 2 layers, but you don't have to. Sometimes I only use 1 layer, especially when I'm just curling it. But if I want to go for a straighter look and I don't want that big jump between my hair length and the long hair extensions, I just put in another layer in between just to make the jump a little more subtle. As you can see, my haircut is not really ideal because it's just a straight cut, so it's very visible when it's not curled and it's peeking through, but I'm planning on just letting my hair grow again so it can just mix with the extensions way easily and can be less noticeable. The main thing here is the proper shade of your halo extensions and any extensions for that matter. Once you get the color right, the blending can be so much easier and it's just gonna be so natural looking, trust me. Also, when you're going for the straight look, it's good to just take out your favorite flat iron and flatten your own hair with the halo extensions, just to again have them blend more easily. Before ending this video so it doesn't get too long, I wanted to share with you my recent obsession with this new ponytail hairpiece. Yes, the application looks a little weird. I've never seen anything like this before, but it's so comfortable and so practical and so effective, so fast. It was quite cheap. I think I got it for like $80 and I'm really pleased with the results. You can just see what kind of difference it really makes when you have the little ponytail from my natural hair, and then once you add this va-va-voom look, it really changes the look completely. I love it, absolutely love it. I am so happy I got the right color as well. Sometimes you're not sure because online everything looks so different, don't you think? Well, enjoy the rest of the video and see if you can spot a trick that you haven't tried on your hair. That was it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. You can always comment down below and share your thoughts. You can like this video, share it, subscribe, whatever you feel like it. Thank you so much for doing those things if you already have done so, and I cannot wait to see you next time on my Sunday, a very fun day. Keep in mind that I have a lot of other tricks to give you about my hair routine and many more. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Big hug and stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.